Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're going to see how to change brightness level in Windows 11. So for Windows 10 and 11 both of them, the fix is same. So for that, let's head over to our search section. And in here, search for brightness level, or you can just search for change brightness level. And in here, go for this change brightness level. You can also navigate it from system settings. So once you're there, you will find this option right here and you'll see the brightness and color, change brightness for the built-in display. So you'll find it in here. You can just change it right here. So if it's not changing, what you can do is just to minimize it. And here goes your Windows. Now go to this option and just restart your PC. This might solve your problem. And yeah, this is how you can just do it. Then try again to change the brightness level of your display. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.